This video will show you the best way on how to install APK files on your Windows 11. To be able to install APK file to your Windows is that you should head through your Microsoft Store. This is your Microsoft Store right here. And then search up APK file installer. Then it will show you a bunch of applications then that are free. Then you can now download it like torrent manager. We also have here a APK file installer for Windows, and I think the options here are applicable to every APK file that you need. That is it. Just follow the simple prompts. If after the application has installed,